have been crocheting for about 15 years now. During this time I have made a lot of hats, ear warmers and other hat accessories, but I have never crocheted a beret in my life. I haven't even tried one on. I'm not even sure they suit me, but right now I need a beret for a certain outfit, so I'm going to crochet one for myself. Hello and welcome to my channel, yet another channel about yarn arts and crafts. So, I did some research using open sources, figured out how to calculate all the parameters correctly, and now I'm ready to share this knowledge with you. Let's crochet together. I'm using Yarnart bamboo jeans 100 grams and crochet hook size 4mm and 3.5mm. I'll also need a measuring tape because we'll start by measuring the head circumference. Mine is 52 centimeters. And first, we need to crochet a circle with the diameter equal to the head circumference divided by 2. To make the beret look neat, I'll be using single crochet stitches. We start with the magic ring and crochet 7 single crochets into it. Do not turn your work. In the next round, make an increase in each stitch. That gives us 14 stitches. Around 3, increase in every second stitch, for a total 21 stitches. We continue making 7 increases per round until the circle reaches the desired diameter. I needed to crochet 23 rounds. I made the circle slightly smaller because this yarn stretches a lot after washing, as any yarn with bamboo tends to do. So, we've made the circle. Now crochet 1 round in single crochets through the back loop only. Do not turn your work. The entire beret is worked in a spiral. Now we begin decreasing. I placed stitch markers where I previously made the increases so the decreases are spaced evenly. We need to make 7 decreases per round. Continue crocheting rounds with decreases until the diameter of the inner circle equals the head circumference divided by 3.14. Just a little left. To make the berry fit more snugly around the head, I switched to a hook half a size smaller for the final stage. Crochet 1 round of the single crochets in the front loop only. Then crochet 4 more rounds with regular single crochets. The next step is optional. If you want a loop on the top of the beret, you can crochet a cord about 5 cm long. I chain 2, and then start crocheting single crochets into the front loop of the previous stitch. Fasten off the yarn and our beret is ready. Now all that's left is to wash it, block it and enjoy wearing it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!